Hi, I'm Kate. This is my sweetheart, Paul. We are the founders of Rustica Hardware. Welcome to Installing Inspiration.
We're going to show you how to live in art and live inspired. Let's go.
Let's go. There are so many places where you can put a barn door. Just to name a few: bedroom, bathroom, pantry, closet, cabinets, barns.
We've even put it on a barn before.
Saves a lot of space, easy to install, and makes it beautiful.
We can tell a story as well. So should we go check that out?
Let's go look at it. Over the years, we've installed so many barn doors.
Check this one out right here. This is a bi-parting bypass door. Look at this one, a bi-parting system on a tube track.
Look at these, bi-parting doors on a box track.
Check that out. Perfect for hanging door decor.
Let's look at these.
Yeah, let's go around the corner. Oh, look at this beautiful modern 5-panel bi-parting door.
Look at this barn wood.
This is all reclaimed.
This is a door within a door.
And it's got a little baby. And it is a ceiling mounted system right next to a beautiful frosted glass full panel.
Perfect
barn
for
door.
privacy.
Okay, let's go check out a few more.